To begin, download the Living Grimoire Developer Kit, preferably from its GitHub link. To use the Living Grimoire, choose the programming language you prefer. There are 3 packages, directories or files per programming language. This separation of packages is meant to keep Living Grimoire projects neat and tidy. 1. Living Grimoire Core, short for Living Grimoire Core. These are the core class files that compose the AGI software design pattern itself. 2. The Skills package. This directory should contain skill classes, which are classes with names that starts with the letters DI. The Skills classes package may also contain algorithm parts classes, which are classes with names that start with the letters AP. 3. The Auxiliary classes package or file. Utilizing auxiliary modules for your Living Grimoire skills is in no way mandatory. These are simply modules that ease writing skills and make the Wafubot more human. Refer to the auxiliary modules for the Living Grimoire PDF file for a quick reference to the auxiliary classes. 4. The Hardware package, hardware-related classes or files not including the main activity class. For example, Arduino utilization skills or custom text-to-speech.